Hello, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited in Rochester, Washington. Today I got a really cool consignment here. This is a 1997 Dodge Ram 1500 four-wheel drive extended cab. Really a super cool truck. I'm going to do a walk around and I'm going to do a startup of this vehicle. So this is a little bit raw. It hasn't been washed yet. We just took this in and I thought I'd get this out there as quickly as possible because trucks are in such a short supply these days, and you don't run across nice rigs that are a little bit on the older side, and this one is just a time capsule for me. Granted, there's going to be some flaws because it is not. I was 16 years old when this thing was new. I'm 41 now, so you're gonna have some bumps and scratches, but overall this thing is nice. I love the aftermarket grille on this thing. Makes it look really nice. Looks like it's got a recent bumper on it. It's got a little bit of a dent right there in the fender, but that's not a big deal. Overall, this two-tone paint, this green over tan or the silver, looks really nice, along with that pinstriping. Looks really good. We're gonna take a quick peek on the inside. So already this truck kind of came already kind of clean. Look at this seat. That is so nice. The back seat's nice. There's a little bit of a tear on the other side, but we'll get to that in a moment. The headliner looks really good. All your courtesy lights come on, which is great. And if you're a Dodge guy, look at this. So if you're familiar with these Dodges, all these dashes are broken. Every single one of them, except this one. I am surprised that the dash is in such good shape. If you're a Dodge guy, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Dodge trucks are incredible when it comes to their powertrain, engine, drivetrain, all that good stuff. But their plastic bits are usually to be desired a little bit. And this one is absolutely incredible. I am shocked of how well that is nice. And these door cards, look at this. Really super nice. It's really nice. The trim's really good. The switches aren't broken. You don't have a loose panel or anything like that. And these doors fit. Look at that. I mean, for an older truck, I'm really excited about this truck just because of how nicely put together. Now you're going to have a couple, this looks like someone tried a little bit of rust repair right there. That's no big deal. Try to stop that. This truck, like I said, is four-wheel drive and does have a tow package down below. And it does have trailer brakes as well, which is always a nice feature. So it's got all the little toys that you need for a truck. So like I said, half-ton, extended cab. Once again, door cards are really nice. Power locks, power mirrors. Your mirrors right there. Really a nice shape. Once again, the door cards look really good. This door does not drag, which is nice. Got a little bit of a tear here, which is repairable. You just take a little kit and sew that right up, and you'd be good to go. So, but the rest of the seat is just beautiful. I do like how Dodges have this big container in the middle, and then you could fit also 3 across as well. These carpets are really nice. Like I said, it hasn't really been cleaned up yet. Does have cruise control, and this truck sounds really good. And this is a stock truck. You got stock stereo. No one's messed with anything, which is great. I always like that. You're not dealing with someone else's garbage install, which is nice. This truck hasn't seen 200,000 miles yet, and that's kind of uncommon. Actually, it's very uncommon for a truck this generation. So it's at 196,091. So we're still a few thousand miles away from 200,000 miles. And this truck, look at that, fires right up. And it still has that annoying buzzer. That's incredible. So this is just a nice truck, and it sounds so good. I'm sure you could hear it. Truck doesn't miss a beat. So I'm really excited about this truck. I usually, you get some older stuff and no one takes care of it, and this one thing, and just this dash just kills me. So the one thing I did notice, the windshield wipers, they pop up. So they work just fine. You turn them on, but when you turn them off, they just kind of rest right there. That a little bit annoying, but you're gonna come in some weird quirks when older vehicles, but this one is just incredible. I love this truck. Come out and take a look at it. This is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. We're located in Rochester, Washington. Phone number is 360-273-0711, or you can shoot me a text, 360-523-8585, about this vehicle. it is available, and there's financing available as well. So if you need that, let me know. But come out, take a look at this truck and drive it. This thing is just absolutely incredible. It is really a survivor in my opinion. And that dash just does it for me, just because you don't see something on Dodge trucks. Like I said, if you're not familiar, usually these Dodge trucks, they're all broken up, and this one is not, which is just super nice. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and end the video right there. I'm going to put some added information into the description below with our website, including some information about this truck. This truck actually has a lot of upgrades underneath. It has a lot of recent work, and I'll let you know in the description down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Give me a call or set up a time to preview, or excuse me, to take a look at this drive, test drive it, and go from there. Thanks for watching.